Meaning of Indian Ocean.
Indian Ocean.
Indian Ocean.
Indian Ocean.
Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean in the world, covering approximately 20% of the Earth's surface. It is named after the country of India, which lies at its northern boundary, and it is bounded by Asia to the north, Australia to the east, Africa to the west, and the Southern Ocean to the south. The Indian Ocean is home to a wide variety of marine life, including whales, dolphins, sea turtles, sharks, and countless species of fish and invertebrates. It is also an important economic zone, supporting fishing, shipping, and offshore oil and gas industries.